Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody's doing fine. So today I'm gonna try and attempt another Dutch pour, and I wanted to show you my paints I'm using. So this is titanium white from Bleiswijk. I'm using it as my base. Then I've got the permanent blue violence from Amsterdam, phthalo blue from Amsterdam, paints gray from Lucas, mauve and gold from Lucas. And all my paints I added just a little dash of this Owatrol. So it should behave similar like Floetrol, but not exactly the same. So I just wanted to see if it helps with getting a better quality of my paints. So let's flood this canvas and start painting. Okay, so before I want to start painting, I'm gonna do a quick drip test. So these are my colors. I'm just tipping it. And you can see my white, my paints gray, and my mauve are the same, and then my permanent violet, blue, phthalo blue, and gold are also almost the same. So these three I'm gonna thin down just a little bit more. Okay, so I flooded my canvas. I still think my paint's a little bit too thick, but I'm losing the light and I really want to try this. So I'm gonna just add my colors and let's hope for the best. So I'm gonna start with my paints gray. And then I'm gonna go for my mauve. This is why I put it on my spin board. I'm gonna do my permanent violet blue next. I put it on my spin board because I have, I always start pouring heavy and then I end up with a little bit of paint and a lot on the other side. So let's hope this evens it out. So that was my phthalo blue, and then I've got my gold as the final one. Okay, let's get some bubbles off. I'm gonna use my new extension for my hair blower. See, it's completely straight as Canella uses, so I'm gonna hopefully get a pretty result. So let's just try this. Okay, I really love what's happening here. I don't like what's happening here, but I don't want to blow again with the hair blower. So I'm gonna try and see if I can blow a little bit with my mouth. And I'm probably gonna have to raise you up a little bit. Just hold on a second. Excuse the mess on the table. But let's see. way too much paint on my canvas. So it wasn't what I was going for, but I really love it. It's something completely different. I have to get my paints way thinner to do a Dutch pour, but for it's yeah, I'm okay with it. It's pretty. I'm hoping it dries nice. I will take you down for a little bit of a close-up. Okay, so there are a lot of cells and some really look like a galaxy. So yeah, I'm really sorry if I'm making you queasy. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. So I will show you the dry results, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. So bye guys! So you're probably wondering what happened. Well, I was checking on it to see if it was drying, and then I saw that it was moving quite a lot. So I checked and there was just so much paint on it, I decided to tilt. And what I got was, it's amazing. I've never had this happen with these paints. So look how many layers, how many colors. It's like from really dark to really light. No breaking up of the paint. It's all just completely intact, every line. Look how crisp those lines are. So that Owatrol stuff, look, it works. It really works. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it and experiment some more, because this is absolutely stunning. And I already have something planned out with the same paint, so I'm just gonna use those I mixed up and let's see what we can do with it. And I'm gonna show you this one when it's dry. So let's hope it dries as pretty as it is now.